So if you're on the 14 to 18 course, as well as a press up, you've also got what's called a piked press up. So sorry, as well as your push press up, you've got what's called a piked press up, which looks like this. So you're going to make an upside down V position with your arms and legs. So to make it harder, bring your legs closer to your hands, make it easier moving backwards. And from this position, we're going to bring our head down towards the floor and push back up. And that's our pike press up. Now, if you're on the 14 to 18 course, you're going to be doing a single leg hip bridge, which is exactly the same motion, exactly the same positions with the feet. Just this time, you're going to have one leg straight, hands on hips, brace core, and push up into the air with just one foot. So, if you're on the 14 to 18 course, you've got what's called a push press up, which is going to really make the movement a little bit more powerful. So, back in our press up position, we're going to lower ourselves to the ground quite quickly and push away really hard so that our hands are going to leave the ground. Like so. At the same time, keeping the same key points, core braced, back straight, straight line from shoulder to ankles. So again, you guys in the 14 to 18 group have got a little bit of a different exercise when it comes to bridges. So as well as your single leg glute bridge, you're going to have what's called a hamstring bridge. Pardon the snow, it's a bit of a blizzard. So we're going to have our legs as far away from us as possible, our feet are as far away as possible, still keeping our head on the ground and our shoulders planted. Nice brace core. We're going to push down through our heels and lift our hips up into the air. Now you should feel a bit of tension down the back of your hamstrings. That's good because that's what we want to get into, and that's our hip bridge, hamstring bridge. Now in the 14 to 18 group, you've got what's called an adductor plank, which isolates the muscle on the inside of your upper leg. So for this, you're going to need a step, or something a little bit higher. I'm just using the side of this step here. And what we're going to do, bear with. So we're going to go into that start of the side plank position again, but we're only going to put our top leg on the step, lift up, keep this leg bent, again nice straight line from top of the spine through to the ankle, and hold this position. So for you guys on the 14 to 18 program, you're going to be doing this instead of on 2 feet, you're going to have it on 1 foot, but it follows exactly the same principle. Knees in line with toes, slightly bent knee, chest up, head up, braced core, push your hips backwards with that slightly bent knee.